So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand print SKUs. And then you want to find the printer that you're having a problem with. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers installed for your device. If the problem is still not fixed, for the second method, you want to right click on your printer, and then click on uninstall device, and then click on uninstall. Now once you've uninstalled it, you want to click on action, and then click on scan for all changes. And now your printer should appear again. See if this fixes your problem. And now for the third method, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates and do all the updates that your computer may have. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then you want to find printer. You want to click on run. And now this will come up. Wait for this to load. And now you want to click on yes and follow all the steps, and hopefully this will fix your problem. And now you just want to restart your computer, and then you should be good to go.